Good morning to y'all. We have a very special day for Tammy's little pooper, so it's okay, little pooper. If y'all can see the first little pooper that I'm looking at, let me see what he is. It's a little dark golden girl though, but if you look though, the little precious girl's got her eyes wide open though, guys. This is their eye-opening day for Tammy's little poopers though. Got another little boy. Aw, it's just as precious as they can be when they finally open their eyes though. Then they can see this big, beautiful, awesome world that they're born into though. Now Lori, you're looking, there's your little girl. You're a light golden girl with them eyes wide open too, guys. Look at the precious little girls and boys. Sometimes some of them are just a little slower to open their eyes though than the others. Now here's a dark golden boy right here that somebody was asking about. There are going to be some dark golden boys. Did he got his eyes open too? Yes. But there are quite a few dark golden boys in here, as well as some dark golden girls. Now here's another little dark golden boy. So his eyes wide open, they think. Yes. Oh my goodness, they done huddled in a big old puppy pile now. Here's another little pupper with them eyes wide open. We gotta go get Mama though. They always huddle together in a big puppy pile though. It keeps them warm when it's cold, guys. Look at that big old puppy pile. Them precious little poopers, guys. Okay, let me go get Mama Tammy in real quick. Okay, let's go get Mama Tammy in. Good girl, baby. Let's wake them boopers up, Tam. Yeah, let's just go give me some petting and loving. She has been my rock, though, as far as my golden retrievers go. She has just brung me that great gold of life, though, and retrieves it every day, though. Oh, she has always been just a great pleasure, though. But that's about her little poopers and all these little dark golden poopers that her and Bo made, though. Yes, sirree. Oh man, it just thrills me when they open their eyes in this big, beautiful world that we live in now. Come out and get to see everything, though. Yeah, they're a big 2 weeks old now. They sure are, though. And I actually wormed them all yesterday. We got some 2.5 pounders and some 2 pounders. The little girl, it's about right though, Lori, if you're paying attention though. She's about 2 pounds. So that means, probably just means she's not going to be no 80-pound girl like the last one though. She's as precious as she can be though. She'd be about, my guess, about 65 pounds or so though, maybe. Look at Mama's gentle love though. She's always gave me great love though too though. Oh, look at that little pooper. Say, Mama! Lay down there, Mama! She still got some sleepy little poopers. Oh man, her and Bo made some really dark ones, man. And there's a few lights here. Y'all remember there's still 3 girls left in here also though. And I tell you though, man, you can't go wrong with a Tammy girl though also though. Tammy's a very well proven girl though. And she has made some awesome little poopers. Oh yeah, poopers.
Yeah, we just kind of nappy time.
And they are some dark girls. Yep, here's a little dark golden girl there. Well, some lighter girls in here too, also though, guys. Aww. They do pretty good though. I'll start warming in 2 weeks, guys, and that's why I know their weight, so. Oh man, I can't wait, dude. They're gonna make some awesome little Christmas presents. No. Some very awesome little Christmas presents, so for everybody though. Aw, good girl, babies. Good girl. Yes, yeah, my Tam Tam. Named after my little sister. She means the world to me though. My little sister Tam Tam. That's why. Well, I guess in a way though, I think so much about her though. Just like her namesake. I never thought nothing wrong with those, naming them after the people that you love. Just makes me think of them though when I pet them and love them though. Aww. Oh man, I'm just so excited about these little poopers though myself, man. Remember 6 boys to choose from in here, and 3 more girls. And a lady that bought one of Tammy's last puppies though. Though I think her daughter's moving out and taking one of her Goldens, so she wants to buy another little Tammy's girl. And she sure is, though. Okay, guys. I'm Rick with Tam Tam and her little little Christmas puppies. Eye-opening day. Hoping everybody has a very wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Hopefully we'll see y'all out here. I did move the date up because, as you can see, they're just little babies. So I've always done it at 4 weeks, though. So I went from December the 2nd to December the 9th on a Saturday morning. We start at 9 a.m. If y'all come out and pick out a puppy, I give y'all their CKC. Registration paper as your receipt for $150. That is part of the 700, either 700 for boys or a part of the 800 for girls though. Well, okay guys, we'll cut it off right now though. Mother Sunshine's over here though. Yeah, what you want, man? You're not playing with me. I think her puppy's about to have her eye-opening day too. Look at that one there though. I think I see some peepers come out of Sunshine puppies. Yes, I do though, but Sunshine's not the only really beloved golden in here though. Ain't that right, Tam Tam? Okay, I'm Rick with Tammy's little golden puppies. As again, y'all have a very wonderful and blessed day, y'all.